Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Beef broccoli on the menu today. Really delicious, bit of a classic. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's jump in and take a look at this. And before I do that, just to let you know, all of the amounts are going to be in the text below. This is really simple. So we've got some beef there, nice lean beef, broccoli, onion, garlic, black pepper, oyster sauce, soy sauce. Let's get to the cooker. So we're going to start off in a pan. I've got some oil there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could be using something different if you want. What we're going to do is we're going to drop our beef in. Now we're going to go through a process here where I want to tenderize this beef because it's quite lean, i.e. there's not much fat on it, but it's not the best quality. So we're going to do this process where we're going to fry it for a little bit, then we're going to add some water to it and boil it just a little bit, just to make it super soft. So yeah, just the oil and the beef, about 4 minutes. So if you've got a really expensive steak, like a beautiful filet or something like that, you don't need to do this process. But this beef that we're using is what you kind of make a stew with. So it's not so wonderful. So what we're going to do simply, we're going to get some water, pop that in. Keep this on a high heat and boil it now until the water evaporates away. And that's really going to help tenderize it. It's probably going to take about 6 or 7 minutes. Okay, so that's evaporated out, and that has really helped us tenderize that meat. It's going to be nice and soft now. If I went just straight in, that would be like rubber, honestly. It would just be terrible to eat. Right, I'm going to add a little bit more oil. Now we can get this together. Let's add in our onion, our chopped garlic. If you want, you could add ginger as well. I'm going with garlic today. High heat, keep it moving. I'll see you in 3 minutes. Okay, let's drop in our broccoli. Another 2 to 3 minutes. Keep it moving. Fantastic, we're really nearly done, guys. Right, we're going to add a little bit more water. Black pepper. We're not adding salt because the soy sauce is very salty and the oyster sauce is also salty. So it's enough for me. Three more minutes on this high heat and this is ready to serve. And that's done. Now I like my broccoli with a bit of a crunch on it, which this certainly has. If you don't want it as crunchy as that, you want to go for a few more minutes. Off goes the heat. If you want, you can put some fresh chili in there or some green onions. I'm going to go with some sesame seeds today. That's it. Really simple. Once you get that first process done of tenderizing and softening the beef, it's so easy. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. We like that. Say hello with a comment. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.